everyone. It's nice meeting you on this platform. I believe we are all doing okay. Today we'll be having our numbers, and in our numbers we'll be looking at the topic recognizing objects that are more in number. Recognizing objects that are more in number. This means to be able to know which object is plenty. The word more means plenty. Now, to be able to identify objects that are more in numbers, for example, I have some objects here on the board. To be able to help us identify, we are to match the different objects together. To match each object to the next object, like this. Now, when you match, the object that is remaining, the object that doesn't have a partner on the other side, is the object that is more in number. It is more in number. Now, when you count this object, you'll be able to understand that this object is more in number. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, and here 1, 2, 3, and 4 is more than 3. So automatically this object is more in number. Let's go to the next example. We are still going to match these objects together to be able to know which one is more in number. You match. Now, we said that any object that has a remainder, anyone that is remaining without a partner, then that object is the one that is more in number. So let's still count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 and this is 1, 2, 3. So 4 is more than 3. For example, if I have 4 pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4. If these are my pencils, and then my friend has 3 pencils, 1, 2, 3, just 3 pencils. Now the person with 4 pencils has more pencils than the person with 3 pencils. So 4 is more than 3. That is why we circle the stars. They are 4 in number. Good. So that's our example for today, and I believe we will be able to identify objects that are more in numbers. We said, first of all, to be able to know the objects that are more in numbers, matching the objects together helps you to know the objects that are more in number. If you match the objects, the ones that don't have a partner, the ones that have remaining, that doesn't have a partner for you to match with, that is the object that is more in number. And after you match, you should be able to count too. When you match your object, you count the object to be sure. 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2. So 3 is more in number. Having done that, I believe we'll be able to do our homeworks ourselves. Now we'll be doing our homeworks while we are at home from page in our workbooks, our numbers workbooks. We'll be doing our homework from page 59. From page 59 to page 60, these 2 pages. Don't forget to match as shown. When you match, and then you should be able to count after matching, just as I have said. So that is our homework. Don't forget to bring back or submit your books in the school premises on Friday by 1 p.m. Thank you and see you next time.
Let 'em shine, let 'em shine, let 'em shine.